Do you even know where we are?
What do you mean?
Like, what is
We're in Oregon.
We're in Oregon. Which falls exactly are we at right now?
I read it Latourell.
Okay.
I heard someone who's a native Oregonian say Latourell.
Lateral. Huh.
Latourell Falls.
Thanks. Now I can spell it for the title. How many gallons a day go over the falls?
700.
And when do we see Bigfoot?
You missed it. You missed him.
I missed him.
You missed Bigfoot already.
Oh man.
Oh. Hey, Big.
What?
Oh man.
What? Is it over there?
He's gone.
Oh man. Maybe if I do some tree knocking.
Look at that. Look at that.
Wow.
Wow.
First thoughts on the Oregon wilderness.
Magical. It's beautiful.
Fulfilling my duties as a pack horse. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Is this a mid-hike grooming session right now?
Oh.
No, look at this thing.
Oh.
That's not how long an eyebrow is supposed to be.
Oh, focus. Well, we'll just say it's a really long eyebrow. Getting blown away.
Yeah, it's like the splash zone.
All that I do.
Ah! Katie's out here trying to kill me. I'm climbing up this rock. She jumps out and scares me. It's really loud and it's really wet. But wow, this is amazing.
I can't hear you.
I can't hear you. What are you saying?
I can't hear you. That's what I said.
Survived it.
Like,
that was nice
like I was like handing it to you, and that it was not a tree with roots that doesn't move.
That doesn't move. It's an actual tree. This is amazing and was absolutely worth flying all the way across the country for.
If I followed you, wouldn't want to miss that, would you?
Yeah, no.
That's scary. It's like crossing that shark bridge.
Oh. Oh, I heard that slide. Nice, stuck the landing. What do you think? Best waterfall you've ever seen?
I've been to Niagara Falls, but I was really little.
Yeah. Well, that's
Doesn't
definitely
matter
the
if it's
biggest.
the best I've seen. It's amazing.
Yeah, this
We're
is
here
absolutely
now,
amazing.
you know?
Right. So cool.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And we were pointing out like the way the rocks have the.
Yeah,
that
how it's like
shape to them.
geometric, it's like rectangular. It looks so
Really
cool.
looks cool,
Yeah. 10 out of 10 would recommend. For sure. The mist is actually pretty refreshing on your face too.
Yeah, I'm getting a little cold.
Came into this trip with little to no expectations, just wanted to see something new. And wow, this is amazing. It's better than I probably could have ever imagined. And yeah, and the fresh air and nature is good for the soul. It's just refreshing, and I can't say enough good things about it.
We love nature.
We love nature.
Made this to fan you.
Oh, thanks. I need it after that hike.
Hey, do you need some fan?
Big fan.
Can I have a little more, please? Thank
It's like
you.
a palm frond.
Frogs like these.
Bronze. Oh! Ooh, my legs are burning.
This front is finished.
All right, you speaking Simish? Mm-hmm. Ladies and gentlemen, stop number 2, Bridal Veil Falls.
Breathing for you. Breathing for you.
Here you go.
Random that or random?
No.
The camera? Oh, the camera.
That's what I
I was like, right?